Hello everybody and welcome back to another review on this channel here. Today we are going to take a look at this custom kit from Top. And you can get this if you want to build your own custom Bucky figure for the upcoming TV show about the Falcon and the Winter Soldier. And what you get in this set here is a nice pair of shoes. You get, let's see here, a leather type jacket, a t-shirt, pair of trousers here, and of course, most importantly, you get a Sebastian Stan Winter Soldier Bucky Head Sculpt. And in his short-haired look. And well, my first impression is that it's actually quite decent here. It might not be Hot Toys quality, but it's still pretty good. And well, what we need now is a body, and we need some hands and stuff like that. So let's try to build and make a Bucky figure. Yeah, now let's get back to how this custom set from Top holds up if you want to do your own Bucky figure. First of all, you have to choose a type of body, and of course it's entirely up to you. I chose a more bulky body, not the biggest one, but still with a little bit of muscle. And if you do that, I must say that the cloth is a bit tight, especially the pants here. They are skinny fit, I guess. But you could go for a more slim type of body if you want to, but I might think that Bucky, he might be too skinny, I don't know. And I might try a different body to see how it looks, but for now I have this type here. And then we don't know for sure what kind of weapons Bucky is going to use, but so far I have seen a clip with a knife, and he might have a gun as well. So one bad thing is that you don't get any hands, so you have to find a solution for the artificial arm, and I have chosen a couple of gloved hands that I had around. And well, if you don't have any gloved hands and you only have the option to display Bucky with regular hands, it might look wrong. So I think Top could have included at least maybe 1 or 2 extra hands with the artificial arm look to them. But no hands included, and so if you want to make your own custom figure, of course you have to get a body, also with hands of course, but you also have to consider what to do with the artificial arm. Now to me, and I guess also most of you, the most important aspect of this Top set here is the head sculpt. Because if you have the head sculpt, you can choose the body, you can choose the suit, whatever, and you still have a good looking Bucky. And I think it's a pretty good head sculpt here. So this Top set is definitely worth it. And well, then we'll have to see how the TV show is going to be. Maybe you also need a Captain America shield for Bucky. Who knows? We'll see about that. So my final conclusion is that I think it's worth checking out if you don't own a Bucky already. or you want one with the more updated short head look. So you get a pretty good head sculpt, and the rest is more or less up to you, the type of body and how you want to dress and arm the figure. Thanks a lot for watching this review. Leave a comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more.